In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll to Partner Liability Insurance on Booking.com. If you manage a property on Booking.com and want to opt out of their Partner Liability Insurance, the entire process happens inside your Booking.com extranet, whether you're using the app or a web browser. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly where to click, and I'll also explain what changes to expect after you opt out. Start by logging in to your Booking.com extranet with your partner account. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and go to the section labeled Property. From there, open General Info. This page holds a range of settings that apply to your listing, and it's where Booking.com keeps the insurance toggle. Scroll until you find the section called Partner Liability Insurance. The wording may appear within a broader information block, but it will clearly reference the liability insurance program. When you locate it, look for the checkbox that states, I would like to opt out of the Partner Liability Insurance Program. Tick that box to indicate you no longer want your property enrolled. After you've selected the checkbox, make sure to finalize the change. Depending on your view, you may see buttons like Opt Out, Save, or Confirm. Click the one presented to you and wait for the page to update. It's important to let the system process your selection so your preferences are recorded. If you see a success message or the section reflects your new status, you're all set. After you opt out, your property will no longer be covered under Booking.com's liability insurance. That means Booking.com will not provide liability protection for incidents under this program. Because of that, you may need your own private insurance to ensure you're protected according to your local requirements and your business needs. Also note that existing bookings may still follow the policy during their stay period, so coverage could remain applicable for guests who already booked before you opted out until their stays conclude. There are a few important notes to keep in mind. Enrollment into this program is usually automatic, so you must manually opt out if you don't want it. In some regions, or for certain property types, policy rules may limit full removal, so the option might behave differently based on location and category. And even after you opt out, Booking.com may still show insurance information in parts of the extranet. This is normal within their system, and doesn't necessarily mean you're still enrolled. That's it. Follow those steps in your extranet, confirm your opt-out, and review your own coverage needs so your business remains protected.